Hey everyone, Hannah here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use a Paul Mitchell 1¼ inch iron for super easy and effortless waves. I love this iron. I use it on pretty much everybody because it gives you that super effortless wave look, but it also lasts multiple days. So let's get right into it. So first I blow dried my hair as smooth as I could, and now I'm going to section my hair off and start curling. So you're going to want to take a clip and just section your hair away. And you're going to start about the middle and curl up I'm going to curl up and hold for a couple seconds, and then you're going to slide down to incorporate those ends and curl it back up and hold for a couple seconds. And then you're going to let go and just kind of pull those ends straight. So again, you're going to start about in the middle of the strand and curl your way up. Hold for about 5 seconds. And kind of loosen it up a little bit to incorporate those ends, because the ends don't need as much heat as the rest of the hair strand because they're compromised. Hold for about another 5 seconds. And then you're going to pull and let that go. On to the next section. Yeah, the ends are always the most damaged part of your hair, so you don't want to be putting heat on the ends for too long. You can even leave the ends completely out if you want to. So I'm taking a fairly big section because I want these waves to be fairly loose. So depending on the thickness and density of your hair, you might have to take bigger or smaller sections, but my hair is pretty medium density. It's definitely not on the thicker side, so I'm going to be taking a pretty big strand, and the bigger the strand you take, the looser the curl is going to be. So I'm also going to be waving away from my face. So start in the middle of the strand and work your way up. Don't burn your ear. Hold for about 5 seconds. And just kind of incorporate those ends into it there. Work your way back up. And then pull that end out. So you can see that's already starting to make super nice waves. And at the end, we're going to comb everything out with our fingers, and it's gonna look awesome. So onto this side, still taking a pretty big section. Waving away from my face. Getting those ends in there. So here I'm continuing with the same pattern, curling away from my face, and some strands I'm curling towards my face just so it doesn't look all uniform. and making sure that I don't put as much heat on the ends to keep those healthy. Take the last section down. So this is a Marcel iron as well. So it's got this handle, and I find it, don't mind my nails, I find it really easy to turn it. Most of you probably have a clip iron, which works just as well. I find this is better for my wrist. It's more ergonomically correct, if you will. All right, so that is all curled. And if you want some added volume, what you could do is take this top layer here and just kind of rub the iron underneath it to give it some lift. I don't mind my hair flat, but I know a lot of people like some volume, so this is a little trick to give you some lift there. And you can do that with the back as well. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my fingers and brush everything through. And now I'm going to take the Moroccan Oil Stronghold Hairspray and spray it over everything. This hairspray is awesome. It's got strong hold, but it's super flexible. You do not feel it in your hair at all. And it protects against humidity as well. And now my favorite product, the Moroccan Oil Mending Infusion. Take a couple pumps of that and work it through your ends. This product seals your split ends together and prevents further damage. And I so need that in my life. And brush that through. I find if you brush this product through, it makes it so soft. It feels amazing. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. Super effortless waves. This did not take me a long time to do at all. Took me a little longer since I was explaining it, but you can get this done in like 7 minutes, 5 minutes maybe. So it's super easy, and this will easily last me a couple days as well. So again, I used the 1 1/4 inch Paul Mitchell iron and the Moroccan Oil Strong Hairspray and the Moroccan Oil Mending Infusion, and this is what you get. Thank you so much guys for watching. Feel free to post comments in the comment section about what videos you want to see next, and we'll see you on the next video.